Welcome to 202 West Potomac in Lombard. This is the home you've been looking for, with 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths. It has over 3,000 square feet above grade and an additional over 1,000 square feet of finished living space in the basement. This home has updates throughout, a brand new roof, 2 furnaces, 2 air conditioning units, and an attached garage. Let's go inside and take a look. You are going to love this amazing great room with cathedral ceilings, a fireplace right off of this beautiful kitchen, which features a large island and high-end stainless steel appliances. Live like a king and queen in your master bedroom suite. It features vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet, and a huge master bathroom, which features a double bowl vanity, a jacuzzi tub, and a separate shower. You're gonna absolutely love this finished basement with this beautiful custom bar, tons of space, a half bathroom down here, and a theater room. You're gonna fall in love. If you have any questions about this beautiful home, feel free to contact me at the information below. This is Josh Inglis with eXp Realty, and I'll see you on the next virtual tour.